Samsung just failed to deliver. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. It's been well over a month since Samsung launched Galaxy S22 Ultra, but right after the launch of Galaxy S22 Ultra, a lot of unusual issues came in the phone, even though Samsung tried so hard to fix it, but some left unfixed. First, it was display issue of Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 variant, and some phones also get some cellular issues, but after the update all of those issues were fixed. But now some GPU issues are here, and if you're one of them who is facing this issue, then no worries, update is coming. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, does your Galaxy S22 Ultra working fine or you face some issues? Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 variant was the one who has a lot of issues after the launch. According to Sam Mobile website and Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup is getting a massive 1.4 gigs update, and this update is mainly for Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 variant, means this update will roll out for European user. If you want to check out this update, just go to your settings and software update. This update can have a fix for GPS and low performance and stability issues. Let's see what Samsung bring with this new update. Another setback for the Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 is its battery timing. Even it falls behind its predecessor, Galaxy S21 Ultra. DxOMark runs a test on Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 variant, and to my surprise, S22 Ultra Exynos variant performs comparatively bad, standing far behind from the iPhone 13 Pro Max and even iPhone 13 mini in battery performance test on DxOMark. You can check more details on DxOMark official website. Samsung needs to work on Exynos variant if we see in Galaxy S23 Ultra. Because of S22 poor performance, people don't want to go with the Samsung anymore and trying to go with other brands. Although outside of Europe, and the people who has Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Snapdragon variant didn't complain much. The performance is okay and everything, but Exynos is making all the mess. And if Exynos was not there with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, then S22 Ultra will be the potential winner for the best Android smartphone for this year. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, does your Galaxy S22 Ultra working fine or you face some issues? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.